Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a look at the official Samsung keyboard book cover for the Galaxy Tab S5e. With the tab secured to the magnetic back, you can transform your regular tablet into a mini laptop. I was surprised to see this trigger Samsung DeX, which lets you use your tablet as though it's a desktop computer. This is ideal for work on the go, as you can create and access documents at the tap of a screen. I think the keyboard is a fantastic addition, as it makes typing up documents or emails on the go a breeze. The full keyboard layout replicates what you'd get on a laptop or computer and allows for fast and precise typing. I really like the integrated stand. It lets you position the S5e at the perfect angle for typing, watching movies and even presenting. In terms of protection, this definitely adds a lot. The impact-resistant polycarbonate shell keeps your tab looking great, even after a bump or two. Its lightweight and slim design doesn't take too much away from the look and feel either, and it fits perfectly in your bag when you're on the go. The official nature definitely shines through. Samsung have done a fantastic job of maintaining their premium and executive design with this cover. It looks incredibly stylish, making it perfect for all scenarios. All of the tab's features are easy to access with this cover, meaning you can access volume controls and use the camera without removing the case. Overall, this is a nice addition to the Tab S5e. The practicality makes it perfect for all scenarios, while the comprehensive protection gives peace of mind that it's protected at all times. That's all we have for our look into the official keyboard book cover for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. Let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase this cover, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.